Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are starting this vlog outside. So today I went to Flic and Flac post office because I had some important things to pick up. And after that, we are going to Port Louis. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell button and make sure you comment. And let's get this video started.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same.
Maybe it would have become expensive.
Let's suggest.
If he asks you where you are going, what I'm waiting for.
You don't look over ask me. This is this one.
Today at first feature.
Belle Rose. Prochaine station, Belle Rose.
It is compulsory to wear face mask in order to travel on board Metro Express. Hand sanitizers are provided inside the train. Thank you.
When you want to travel internationally, you know go use them. I'm like, tell me more. It's not precious feeling shy.
Tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again.
Like, na Nigerian artists. In fact, people don't cross already.
If they burn the car, there no stop.
Where is this road?
Get slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
I was also using. The funny thing is, in my house, they all use shaving stick. And their own is not as dark as mine.
And when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, we don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language, love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language, love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Oh, won't you let me in? So we can get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay in a way, don't you? Just
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I don't know already.
you're speaking
I'm in pain.
Looks so good.
I wanted to take this from vanishing.
time with me.